Good morning from Gwbert. We leave this morning. We've packed, we've emptied our accommodation, and we're having one final brew, are we not?
Setting us up for the day.
Yes. Have you enjoyed your week away?
It's been really lovely. The weather, I don't know if we've mentioned this, but it's been a perfect week, so
It's been a lovely
that
week.
has helped immensely.
Where are you driving us to now?
Aberystwyth.
Pardon?
Aberystwyth. Is that no?
Well, it sounds like it.
What was it supposed to say?
I don't know. It's
Aberystwyth.
Aberystwyth.
Aberystwyth. Somewhere up north. It's about an hour. Coming in through Aberystwyth is about 4 hours supposedly. It took us way longer because there's a load of 20-mile-an-hour villages. But we're going to go back the same way because we'll stop at Aberystwyth, have a look round, break the journey up, and then drive back.
Long journey back.
Yeah.
We'll just take it easy. Right, off you go. What do you mean it won't go?
Won't go.
We've just realised we haven't attached the battery under your backside.
How did we forget that?
You'll have to freewheel. So from here it's at least a 4-hour drive back home, so we thought let's stop here, stretch our legs and enjoy the coast for one final time. You can't beat the sound of the sea, can you? Aberystwyth North. I guess Aberystwyth South is that way. So there's local art and crafts in that building there. Haven't filmed in there, copyright reasons I guess. This rusty old white bar has been kicked since the 19th century. And if you kick the bar, it is supposed to give you luck. So, here goes nothing. There we go. It's supposed to give you luck. And if anybody's just watched me kick the bar, that must have looked quite odd. So if you want to go on the Cliff Railway, it is there. We're going to have a look at the pier, then we'll do the south of Aberystwyth Promenade. Cannot see that building for scaffolding, can you? I'm sure when the work's done it will look amazing. So this is the University College of Wales, also known as Aberystwyth University. Definitely having a makeover. I'd like to come back here sometime and see when it's done. Castle's that way, if you fancy walk around the castle grounds. Look at the view around the corner here. All this part is Aberystwyth South. They've got a nice little harbour. I said little, that's quite impressive. Heading back to the car after this lovely walk that we've just done on Aberystwyth Promenade front. If you've enjoyed our walk today, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.